Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you, by the way, Minnie is right here. I want to show you this super nice and also fashionista. You can see how nice this one is. This really nice backpack carrier. I think it is fantastic in cases that, for example, she may go out right now. She's kind of like exploring, but for a few scenarios. So there we go. Few scenarios right now. I'm thinking that this one for taking it to the vet is actually really good, but for come here, but for mediums to small size cats. So what's happening here? This one says that support. I don't know what she's gonna do. Hey, don't point to that to the camera, please. But it says that supports up to 30, 40 pounds. I don't think so. Minnie is a mid to small size cat. She's kind of like 12 pounds. And we also have Penny that I tried it and she's like 10 pounds. But we also have Hawkeye and Tiger, and they are 21 and 22-pound male cats. Go back inside. Male cats. So, well, I mean, sometimes this happens for sure, but they don't fit here. They get kind of like really, really cramped here. So I'm thinking that this one is more for like in between the limit of 15 and 18 pounds, something like that, in case that you want them to be kind of like comfortable inside. But this one is really good for taking them to the bed, or also if you are going out hiking, camping, or something like that, and you want to walk with your cats and you want to take them to exercise with you or something like that. This one is super resistant, but more than anything, I was really surprised at how comfortable this one is as a backpack. Let me show it to you. So a couple of things about this one. Mesh everywhere, so that is really good for them to have some sort of ventilation. Well, you have the animal print, which I think it is really, really good. And then you have pockets right here on the side. Oh, I closed this one pretty tight. A pocket right here on the side, which, by the way, this one comes with a hole for a cable for your headphones or something like that. So that is really, really good. And then another pocket over here, also with a zipper. You have access right here on the sides, both sides, as you're gonna see over here. So you have this one, which reveals that has this really nice and soft hardcover over here, which, by the way, also comes with this for a leash. So that is really important in case that you want them to be like for nothing to happen. Let's put it that way. So nothing is gonna happen. And then you close this one up just like that. Nice and easy. And you also have the access on front, as I was just telling you before, which, by the way, you can roll like this and use this strap over here. So I think that that's actually another good thing. But as I was telling before, besides this handle over here, this one right here on the back, these straps are super well padded with breathable mesh. And you have some clips over here, as well as this one for your chest in case that you're going out hiking or something like that. But also this pad over here, it is just fantastic. It is super good and really, really comfy. So again, if you want to be both in the fashion side of things with a backpack for your cat, but also a super nice one and practical and convenient one, this one is the one you want. Thumbs up for sure, recommended.